The excitement surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is hitting new heights as leaks, prototype photos, and insider documents give us our clearest look yet at what could be DJI's most advanced pocket gimbal camera to date. This latest generation of the compact camera line looks ready to redefine what creators expect from handheld filmmaking in 2025 and beyond. According to the latest information and visual leaks reportedly shot during a DJI promotional video in Barcelona, the Pocket 4 showcases a sleeker, taller, and much lighter design, around 116 grams compared to the Pocket 3's 179 grams, making it more travel-friendly than ever. DJI seems to have refined the entire physical structure, achieving a thinner and more ergonomic body while introducing new physical buttons placed directly beneath the touchscreen display. These tactile controls replace the old Osmo logo area seen on the Pocket 3 and are rumored to link with the possible dual-camera system that has been circulating in leaks since mid-2025. These buttons could enable users to switch lenses, toggle between focal lengths, or even activate a new split screen or dual-view shooting mode, giving vloggers, filmmakers, and travelers a faster, more intuitive workflow without relying solely on touchscreen controls. This subtle yet practical design change hints that DJI is focusing not just on style, but on creator convenience, reinforcing its dominance in the compact gimbal camera segment. Reports suggest DJI has entered the final testing and certification phase, backed by a detailed battery and safety manual that covers everything from overheating warnings to firmware instructions, typically signs that production is imminent. With this stage reached, a late 2025 or early 2026 release window seems highly probable. Interestingly, the documentation doesn't reveal camera sensor details, fueling speculation that DJI is deliberately keeping core specs under wraps until its official announcement. The absence of mentions like 50-megapixel sensor, 8K video, or Active Track 7.0 doesn't mean these features aren't coming. It may just indicate DJI's plan to control the narrative at launch, or perhaps release a pro version later featuring upgraded optics and advanced tracking technology. The leak also implies that DJI could be adopting a two-tier approach: a lighter, minimalist Pocket 4 for everyday creators and a higher-end Pocket 4 Pro with dual lenses, enhanced HDR and 8K video support for professional videographers. Compared to the Osmo Pocket 3, the new model's 35% weight reduction, slimmer grip, and taller profile suggest that DJI has re-engineered the gimbal structure with a lighter internal architecture, possibly adopting new motor technology or composite materials to improve stability without compromising on image quality. This would make long handheld shoots more comfortable, particularly for vloggers and run-and-gun filmmakers. Battery life is another rumored highlight, expected to last around 180 minutes per charge, extending beyond what most pocket cameras currently offer. The Pocket 4 could also feature improved heat management and low light performance, an area where many compact cameras struggle. Pricing speculation points toward a range of $699 to $799, which keeps it competitive against GoPro, Insta360, and similar devices while signaling its status as a premium creator tool rather than a simple consumer gadget. The DJI Pocket series has long been known for bridging the gap between smartphone shooting and full-sized mirrorless cameras, offering cinematic stabilization and pro-level image quality in a pocket-sized form. If the new model truly delivers better ergonomics, enhanced autofocus, AI-based subject tracking, and expanded manual controls, it could easily dominate the creator market once again. Meanwhile, some insiders suggest that DJI is quietly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory in preparation for the Pocket 4's launch, another clue that the release date might be closer than expected. The company's strategy seems clear: evolution over revolution. By refining what already worked and eliminating design inefficiencies, DJI appears to be perfecting the formula instead of reinventing it. As for software upgrades, many expect a smoother interface, faster touch response, and improved active track algorithms that can recognize more subjects, maintain lock-on precision, and perform automatic framing even in challenging environments. Creators could also benefit from a rumored new dual microphone system and improved built-in audio processing, reducing the need for external mics during outdoor shoots. The lightweight construction also opens up possibilities for expanded accessories, such as mini tripods, ND filters, and external battery handles, giving creators greater flexibility in different filming scenarios. In addition to Pocket 4, DJI is reportedly working on the Osmo Action 6, which is said to feature a larger 1.1-inch sensor, a variable aperture, f2.0 to f4.0, and improved dynamic range, aiming to deliver true manual control and cinematic flexibility, even in bright or low-light scenes. This shift suggests that DJI wants to unify its pocket and action lines under a consistent image quality standard, while catering to both handheld creators and adventure filmmakers. The design leaks also show subtle aesthetic adjustments, such as a smaller front module, relocated color temperature sensor, and what might be a dedicated ambient light or microphone port, indicating DJI's continued attention to precision detail and usability. With every generation, DJI has balanced hardware performance with creator feedback, and the Pocket 4 appears to push that balance to a new level. For vloggers, travel enthusiasts, and short-form content creators on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, this camera could become a game-changing tool for producing cinematic footage without bulky setups. The smaller body, tactile interface, extended battery, and rumored 4K 240 FPS or 8K Pro variant collectively reinforce DJI's reputation as the leader in stabilized handheld imaging. Whether DJI surprises us with dual lenses or keeps it simple with a single high-performance sensor, one thing is clear: the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most creator-focused DJI release yet, blending compactness with professional-grade performance. It's not just a hardware upgrade. It's a clear message that DJI intends to dominate the handheld filmmaking scene once again. If the leaks hold true, the Pocket 4 will redefine what pocket-sized cinema means and set a new standard for portable content creation in 2025 and beyond.